In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive Personal Vault 5 minutes. First, open a browser and go to your Microsoft account homepage. If you're not already signed in, sign in so OneDrive can load your files securely. On the top left, open the app launcher, sometimes called the waffle menu, and choose OneDrive. This takes you straight to your cloud files. From here, go to My Files so you're at the main view of your folders. In the left panel, you'll see Personal Vault. Click that. To get inside, select Open. Because Personal Vault adds an extra layer of protection, Microsoft will ask you to verify your identity. Choose the available method and continue. You'll receive a one-time code at your registered contact method, often by email. Retrieve that code, enter it in the prompt, and confirm. Keep in mind, these codes expire and should never be shared. Once the vault opens, you'll notice it behaves like a folder but with additional safeguards. At the top, click the vault name to access options, then open Personal Vault Settings. Choose Manage to review the details that govern how the vault works. Here you can review auto-lock timing and how protection works. Personal Vault lives inside your OneDrive, but it's designed for sensitive items you want to keep private. You can store them here just like in any other OneDrive folder, while benefiting from the extra verification whenever you unlock the vault. When you're done, click Lock. The vault immediately closes and the contents are hidden from the regular file view. You'll see the Personal Vault icon with a lock badge confirming it's secure. Even if you forget to lock it manually, the vault will lock itself after a period of inactivity, and it will also lock when you sign out of your account. That's the complete flow. Open your Microsoft account, launch OneDrive, go to My Files, enter Personal Vault, verify with the code, review settings as needed, and lock it when finished. Using Personal Vault gives you a simple built-in way to protect important files without changing how you organize your OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and remember to lock your vault whenever you step away.